Welcome to Plexus. This is your all-in-one dashboard. We're at plexus.net. If you go to console in the top right, you'll be prompted to log in. You can then search for your site at the top right. Once you've opened your site, you'll see general information about it. And then on the left, you can see more information about other things like your floor plans, your emergency lights, which usually become the backbone of your Plexus mesh network. That being said, you can also just connect via the gateway. Then you have smoke alarms, your occupancy sensors, temperature sensors, and other sensors connected to the mesh network. Plus, all your compliance logs are saved in the cloud. From the floor plans menu, we can see the location of all of our lights. This site has multiple buildings. So let's say we want to look at the South Tower, level 6. Here we can see the location of all of our lights on the floor plan. By clicking on emergency lights, we can see the testing schedule and reports. On the right, we can see all of our test reports. The top one is the latest one. If we click on that, we can see our test report. And if we click away, that will disappear. Then we can move on to smoke alarms. This location has a number of smoke alarms. Each column can be removed by just dragging it off the table. Next, we can move down to the beacon occupancy sensors. This site has a number of occupancy sensors. Again, we have the name and their location and the channel. Occupancy sensors on the same channel will activate at the same time. For example, if one occupancy sensor on channel 5 detects movement, all the lights on channel 5 will then illuminate. Sensitivity is just how sensitive to movement the device is. And on stats, you can see in depth how long each light is on for, how long it's dimmed for, and how long it's off for. So for this one, we can see it's on 6% of the time, dim 5% of the time, and off 89% of the time. That's over 90% energy savings, as it's off the vast majority of the time. Coming across to temperature sensors, we can see the temperatures in different locations, plus the humidity in those locations. Coming down to other sensors, we can see all the input-output devices in this location, or just any other IoT devices, or any devices that can be connected to this network. They will show up here. In this case, we've got a couple of pumps, and we can see their status. We can set it up in a way that if the pumps were to fail, someone would be notified via text message. Again, audit logs, everything's just saved in the cloud. That's it for our first look at Plexus. If you want to find out more, you can head to plexus.net and contact us.